Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI review. Now today the site we are going to talk about is Fliki.ai, and as you can see on your screen, you can turn text into videos with AI voices. Now how do we go about it? How do you do it? What are the features? We are going to see everything and the tutorial how to go about it is going to be live soon. But before that, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join me in the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So let's move ahead and understand how you can turn your text into video with AI voices in a matter of few seconds. So the first thing you would need to sign up for a free account. So I've already done that to save on time. So then we need text. You can punch in your own text, but as you know, right now every second thing we are using ChatGPT. So let's use the same and say write a article on 10 tips to 10 tips on car care during monsoon of less than 60 seconds. I'm trying to make it short so that it doesn't give me a huge list. So here you can see in our ChatGPT is almost done, so it has given me 10 tips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to avoid all the content and just pick up the tips. I'm going to copy this. Okay, so our text is ready over here. Okay, my text is ready. So we go to Fliki. Once you've signed up, you should be able to see this over here. You go to a new file. There are sample videos if you want to have a look. You go and create a new file. There'll be file name. Now let's say car care. You select the language which you want. Over here various languages are supported. I'll leave it to English. Whether you want to create audio or a video, we want to create a video, so we're going to say video and go on create. So your file has been created with the title car care and so here the scenes which is there, choose a file that is for your voice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start writing, and here we're going to paste. So you can see various scenes has been created. We had picked in 10 points. So 10 points, various scenes has been created. What we did basically, we picked up this 10 points, came into the scenes column and we pasted. Now here you have a lot of options how you can. Now if I just want to hear the voice, you can see sorry,
and ensure proper inflation. Good traction is vital on wet roads. Check your wipers and washer fluid. Ensure your wipers are functioning correctly and replace worn blades. Keep your washer fluid topped up for clear visibility. Maintain proper lighting.
So
Check and clean all external
the
lights,
voice is
including
already
headlights,
generated for us.
taillights, and indicators.
What we need to do is add a few images of your choice. Then here you have the options to play around, like let's say the speed, volume. Basically it was volume. I'll leave it 100%. The
For
speed,
optimal visibility for yourself and other drivers, and indicator. To ensure optimal visibility for yourself and other drivers.
Further slow down.
Protect your car. Keep your tires in check. Regularly
see.
inspect depth and ensure good. Keep your
So
tires in check. Regularly inspect tire tread depth. Keep your tires in check. Regularly
I'm going to
inspect
make
tire
it
tread
100%
depth
over
and
here.
ensure keep your tires in check. Regularly inspect tire tread depth and ensure proper inflation.
And
Good
the
traction is
subtitles, you
vital on
can
wet roads.
change the positions
Check
where
your
you
wipers
want
and washer
any
fluid.
corner.
Ensure your wipers are functioning correctly and replace worn blades.
So basically you can change the positions where you want the subtitles to be seen, and then the font, the size, the phrase, the background color, and everything related to this you can change over here. Now this looks like an audio file, so then you need to come and choose some. I'll say car care. So images. Most of the images you can see are locked over here. These are not free. So I'll just broaden my search keyword and say car. Okay, so this looks a good image. I'm going to pick up this. So this is my first image. Second is wiper over here. I'm going to come over here. Again, come to image and say car. Okay, this is locked. And that was car. Okay, so we are talking about the wipers over here. Can I see the wipers to make it a little more realistic? I can't see any wipers out here. So basically, let's. So we have the second image over here. You can see a car wipers. So we've added our second video. Now poor lighting. Let's add a few more image car. I'm just going to add some 2-3 images over here. So let's use this as it shows the headlight. Okay, and let's go back to the first clip and let's say play.
Keep your tires in check. Regularly inspect tire tread depth and ensure proper inflation. Good traction is vital on wet roads. Check your wipers and washer fluid. Ensure your wipers are functioning correctly and replace worn blades. Keep your washer fluid topped up for clear visibility. Maintain proper lighting. Check and clean all external lights, including headlights, taillights, and indicators, to ensure optimal visibility for yourself and other drivers. Protect your car's paint. Apply a coat of wax
So
to safeguard.
basically, for your scenes, you just need to add videos or images over here. You just go to the layout. Then even in this layout over here, what you can see, you can play around with the layout media, how it is. You want it to be looking like this. Let's go to the text first here. Okay, let's keep it positioned down. Then go to the layout. And the layout, you can have the media placed like this, full media, or side by side if you intend to put multiple, like if I'm trying to put another photo over here, image car. So you see, you can have it like this. If I want the second one to have more footage, here you go. Then direction, here, this is how you can have it. So basically you can sort of play around with it. Let's go to the media, and it is one. So these are the options with the media. Then the voiceover part, if you go and click Sara is the default voice over here, click on voice over here, you can find various languages. Now let's say I'll choose Hindi for example. Let's see, Hindi, India. Okay, so let's see what Kajal will say.
क्योंकि आपको 1 मिनट से भी कम समय में आजीवन एआई वॉइस का उपयोग करके ऑडियो वीडियो
And you can say
सामग्री
let's
बनाने
say
में
apply
मदद
this
करता है।
to all. Okay, so it's processing. So let's now listen to this. So I guess I sort of messed up over here. That thing was in English and I've chosen a voiceover in English. So let's go back to English and let's see.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices.
So basically here we need to apply, I guess, something we need to tinker out. Over here for the voiceover, and then there are various layers you can add to your video. Like you can add a picture in picture. Like let's say you need to add a picture in picture. Let's say a car. We'll use the same image to see the effect. So you see you can add a picture in picture over here, or for that matter add text. Again, you can move this text around wherever you want and do the same thing what you could do in the prompts, or you can add an audio over here. So let's try and play this. Oh my god, our quota is over. We're exhausted in the trials, so it's going to take me to try and take me to the upgrade panel, but I guess by now we have seen most of. Let's go back to the Fliki.ai. So I think by now we had already sort of here is our video which is there, car care. Okay, so here we are. So basically we have almost run through all the options. Then our final few options over here, you can move this up, down, customize the duration, etc. And once you're done with the creation of this particular file, you just need to go and click on export, and you'll get a high resolution .mp4 video out there. But mind you that since it's a free version, you're going to have watermark along with it. Now if you want to see the pricing, here are the thing with a free account. As you had seen the problem, you're going to get a 5 minutes audio and video content, and it contains a Fliki watermark. Then if you're choosing a basic pack or standard pack and premium, these are the various charges you would need to pay, and below are the various features of each and every plan. So I hope that this particular video also helped you in choosing another AI tool basically. So from amongst the recent ones what I've done, the Firefly from Adobe looked to be the best as far as image creation. This is a video creation tool. So if you have not seen the video, you can head on below and check out the same. Do like this video, do share this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next video, take care and be safe.